At number 10 on our countdown, we have the Scrapbook tape, a 4-pack double-sided tape roller that's perfect for all your crafting needs. Whether you're working on scrapbooking, journaling, or school projects, this sticky glue tape runner is designed for both kids and adults. Our double-sided tape is crafted from high-quality glue, ensuring it's sticky but not destructive. It will preserve your scrapbook or photos for a long time. Unlike traditional double-sided or liquid tape, Secopad glue tape is mess-free and fast. No need to wait for glue to dry, it takes only seconds to finish your project. The premium tape runner boasts a compact design and quality materials, guaranteeing smooth and even application. With a pack of 4, these tape runners are perfect for home, school, and office use. Easy for both adults and children, this tape roller is a versatile alternative to traditional adhesive tape. You can use it for scrapbooks, photos, crafts, and other arts projects. If you make a mistake, you can clean and retape it quickly. We stand by our product with a no-reason return and replace service. If you're not satisfied with the scrapbooking tape, we offer a refund or replacement at your request. Elevate your crafting experience with the scrapbook tape, the essential tool for every creative project. Next, at number 9 in our countdown, we present the Surebonder cordless hot glue gun from the specialty series CL800F. This high-temperature, full-size glue gun packs 60 watts of power, offering 50% more power for sturdier bonds on a variety of materials including metal, wood, ceramics, and leather. Reaching temperatures up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures optimal bonding for both porous and non-porous materials. The included heating base holds and warms the glue gun in cordless mode, making it convenient to use between applications. You have the flexibility to use it indefinitely with the cord or up to 3 minutes without the cord for quick tasks. Additionally, the built-in non-stick glue pad, connected to the base, is designed to catch any drippings from the glue gun, keeping your workspace clean. The Surebonder cordless hot glue gun is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for all your heavy-duty crafting and repair needs. At number 8 in our countdown, we have the HTVRONT White Permanent Vinyl, the perfect adhesive vinyl roll for all your crafting needs. This 12-inch x 14 feet glossy white vinyl is ideal for use with Cricut, Silhouette, Cameo cutters, and more. Say goodbye to paper backing that sticks to your mat and ruins your design. Our white permanent vinyl features a clear PET backing, eliminating the need to clean your mat and preventing project damage. No more cheap paper backing separating from the vinyl during the cutting process. Our PET backing is the ultimate solution to these common issues. With great stickiness and durability, this white adhesive vinyl ensures a strong hold on any smooth surface. Unlike other vinyl that peels and bubbles, our extra strong adhesive backing withstands washing and rain, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's guaranteed to last 5 years indoors and 3 years outdoors. Please note, it is not suitable for fabric. Cutting and transferring designs is a breeze with this glossy, smooth vinyl. It offers excellent cutting application characteristics, allowing you to cut and read easily without worrying about bubbles and wrinkling. Compatible with most cutting machines, including Cricut, Silhouette, Graphtec, and Pazzles, it works seamlessly with vinyl sheets similar to Oracle 651. This versatile vinyl is ideal for medium-term indoor and outdoor uses, including signs, scrapbooking, lettering, decals, phone covers, laptop covers, labels, mugs, and home decor. Start creating personalized gifts for your friends and family that they will love and cherish. We stand by the quality and versatility of our white permanent vinyl, and your satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not satisfied, please let us know, and we will provide a satisfactory solution. Remember, this is permanent vinyl, not HTV. HTVRONT is the brand name you can trust for all your vinyl crafting needs. At number 7 in our countdown, we have the Podge Gloss Sealer, Glue and Finish. This all-in-one craft solution is a must-have for serious crafters and DIY enthusiasts, combining glue, sealer, and finish into one versatile product. Podge is perfect for a variety of surfaces and projects, from decoupage and scrapbooking to puzzle preservation and home decor. Its adaptability makes it an essential tool in any crafter's toolkit. This product provides a durable, clear gloss finish that enhances the appearance of your projects without altering their original look. Unlike ordinary glue, it does not yellow over time, preserving the beauty and integrity of your artwork. Mod Podge dries quickly, allowing you to complete your projects efficiently. Cleanup is a breeze with just soap and water, making it incredibly convenient to use. Proudly made in the USA, Mod Podge adheres to high-quality standards, adding trust and reliability to its appeal. Its water-based, non-toxic formula ensures it is safe for crafters of all ages, including use in educational settings. Craft with confidence using the Mod Podge gloss sealer, glue and finish, your all-in-one solution for endless creative possibilities. At number 6 in our countdown, we have the Duck 126-5015 winking tape. This 1.88-inch x 20-yard single roll in white is perfect for making your next quick fix stand out. Ideal for repairs, crafting, and imaginative projects, this versatile tape tears easily by hand without curling and conforms to uneven surfaces. It offers excellent adhesion to a wide variety of surfaces, including cloth, vinyl, leather, plastic, metal, and laminates. The duct tape roll measures 1.88 inches wide by 20 yards long, providing plenty of tape for all your needs. With its reliability and ease of use, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or crafter. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5 in our countdown, we have the Mr. Sketch Scented Washable Markers. This pack of 36 chisel tip markers in assorted colors is perfect for sparking creativity in kids and adults alike. With an exciting array of scents and bold shades, these markers make art projects even more enjoyable. Scents include raspberry, watermelon, cherry, orange, banana, mint, apple, fruit punch, blueberry, grape, cinnamon, and licorice, adding a delightful sensory experience to coloring. The markers are washable for easy cleanup, making them practical for any creative session. Their large cylinder design is easy for kids to handle, and they are safe for children over 3 years of age, AP certified for added peace of mind. The class pack includes 36 assorted scented markers, offering a variety of 12 delightful scents. Mr. Sketch Scented Washable Markers are the perfect addition to any art supply collection, inspiring creativity with every use. At number 4 in our countdown, we have Astro Bright/Nina Bright White Cardstock. This 8.5 inches by 11 inches cardstock, weighing 65 pounds or 176 GSM, comes in a pack of 75 sheets. Featuring a smooth finish, this cardstock ensures superior printing results, whether you're using an inkjet, laser, copier, or offset printer. Its 65-pound weight provides the sturdiness you need for various projects, from invitations to presentations. The cardstock is acid and lignin-free, guaranteeing that your prints maintain their quality over time without deteriorating. With Astro Bright/Nina Bright White Cardstock, you can achieve professional results for all your printing needs. At number 3 in our countdown, we have Elmer's All-Purpose School Glue Sticks. This pack of 30 glue sticks, each containing 7 grams, is ideal for a variety of crafting and school projects. Elmer's glue sticks bond effortlessly to paper, cardboard, foam board, display board, and more. They are washable, non-toxic, acid-free, and photo-safe, ensuring they are suitable for children and all your creative needs. The glue applies smoothly without clumps, dries quickly, and becomes colorless, making it perfect for arts, crafts, and school projects. Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks provide a reliable and mess-free adhesive solution for all your crafting needs. At number 2 in our countdown, we have Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. This pack includes 3 glue sticks, each containing 22 grams of adhesive. These glue sticks go on purple and dry clear, allowing you to see exactly where you're applying the glue. The smooth application makes it easy to use on various surfaces, including paper, cardboard, foam board, and display board. Elmer's glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, making them perfect for arts, crafts, and school projects. With Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks, you can achieve precise and mess-free bonding for all your creative endeavors. And at number 1 in our countdown, we have Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. This pack includes 12 glue sticks, each containing 6 grams of adhesive. These glue sticks go on purple and dry clear, so you can easily see where you are gluing. The smooth application makes it perfect for a variety of surfaces, including paper, cardboard, foam board, and display board. Elmer's glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, making them ideal for arts, crafts, and school projects. With Elmer's disappearing purple school glue sticks, you get precise and mess-free bonding, ensuring your projects are always perfect. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.